Hello, welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solution. Today we are going to see the topic is concurrency only. Here concurrency related to three proportion we have to see now. Proportion number one. Suppose two sides of a triangle are not equal, then the angle opposite to a larger side is greater than the angle opposite to the smaller side. That means if suppose the two sides of triangle is not equal, we have to consider for the two sides is not equal, then the angle opposite to a larger side is greater than the angle opposite to the smaller side. We have to prove now. Given ABC is a triangle in which we have mentioned AC is greater than AB because these two sides are not equal. So we have to prove that angle B is greater than angle C. Construction. Take a point D on AC such that AB equal to AD. So right now we have to construct one point D on AC. Okay, in such that we are considering AC equal to AD. This is possible when since AC is a greater than AB, because AC is a greater, AB is a lesser. So comparative we have to draw in AC one line on D. So now we can able to say for AB equal to AC. Proof. In a triangle ABD, we have AB equal to AD. By the construction, we told this is equal side. Then which implies that the angle ABD and ADB angle opposite to equal side. So opposite angles are equal. So we have to say AB angle and D angle is a equal side. Now BDC. BDC is an exterior angle of the triangle BCD. So hence it is a larger than interior angle of BCD. So compared to that is the interior angle, it is a larger. So we can say that angle C is greater than BDA. So BDA is equal to ADB. So ADB is greater than ABC. So angle C is less than angle C is less than angle B. We can say that. So angle B is greater. This is we want to prove that we proved the angle is larger. Then proportion 2. In a triangle, if two angles are unequal, so if equal means we can see if in a triangle, if two angles are unequal, then the side opposite to the larger angle is greater than the side opposite to the smaller angle. So given we have take one triangle ABC, in that also angle B is greater than angle C. So we prove that AC is greater than AB is a before condition only. Prove that angle B is a greater proof. Observe that angle B is a greater angle C. So which implies AC is concurrent to AB. As AC is a concurrent to AB, we can say that because this is one is equal for implies AC equal to AB, which implies that angle also equal. So opposite angle equal na opposite sides also equal, so we can consider. So for the proof we are considering AC is a concurrent to AB. AC concurrent to AB, now the side also equal. Side is equal means the opposite angle is equal. Opposite angle is there in B and C. Thus either one is AC is a greater AB or else AC is a less than AB. So if AC less than AB, then by suppose 2 is a before proportion we have proved. Suppose two sides of a triangle are not equal, then the angle opposite to the larger side is greater than the angle opposite to the smaller side. So this is construction for the for the given hypothesis. The only possibility is AC is greater than AB. So AC is less than AB is not possible, because of that before proportion we have proved. And last proportion, proportion 3. In a triangle, the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. If in the statement, if you are any two sides, that is being greater for the third side. Proof a given triangle ABC, have to take that for proof AB plus AC is greater than BC. So extend, now we have to construct for the proof. Extend BA to D and join A to D and join A to C. Here AD equal to AC and join D to C. Then BD equal to BD, we can write BA plus AD. So BAD we already said AD equal to AC, so AC. Since AD equal to AC, we have the angle D and the C is equal because of the opposite angles or opposite angle to equal sides. So equal sides is the opposite sides. Opposite angle is a D and C. Here equal. Hence, we obtain BCD is greater ACD. Equal to ACD, we is also equal for the ADC. So ADC is also equal for the BD. See, in the triangle BCD, we consider the triangle BCD, the big triangle. We have BCD is a greater BDC, which implies that BC is a greater BC. Sorry, BD is a greater BC. So, using for the proportion to the statement in a triangle, if two angles are unequal, then the side of opposite to the larger angle is greater than the side of opposite to the smaller angle. So, but BD equal to BA plus AC. We observed also earlier, so that BA plus BC is a greater BC only. We can similarly prove that CA equal to AB plus BC and AB equal to BC plus CD. You can take for any side, any two sides. You can add the side and then the third side is greater than for that side. Any side you have to consider. This is a proof of the proportion. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching in crazy problems to easy solution.